Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain how to create animation for opening the gift box. So let me show how this can be done in PowerPoint. Let's see the steps. To create the box, I am going to use the cube, which you can get it under the shapes menu. So let me get it here. So this is the cube and I can format to any color which I want. So let me choose the same color, or okay, I'm going to select the theme here. So if you see this cube, uh, okay, so the top side of the cube is in different color, right? So then you can imagine like this is an inner surface of the boards and the dark color as the outer surface of the boards. So you can imagine this is a open boards. Okay, so next I am going to create the top cover for this box. For this, again I'm going to use a shape called parallelogram, where I can fit this exactly to the top of the box. So maybe okay, yeah, yeah. And I can select format to the same color as the outer box color. So here I am going to use the eyedropper so that I can get the same color. Okay, so similarly I can get the left side cover as well. Okay, yep, now it looks like a closed box. Next I am going to create the top open cover for this box. So for that I'm going to use the same parallelogram but with slight rotation. So you can rotate and fit into the side of the box. Sure. Okay. Think. Yep. Okay. Similarly, you can format the color of the cover using the eyedropper. Okay. And same way, you can create the top open cover for the left side as well. So I'm just going to copy from here. Okay, so now the box is ready. So we have so let me remove the animation. So we have a box which has both the top close cover and top open cover. Now let's animate this. Okay, so what I am going to do is, like, so when we present this slide, So initially I should get the closed bots. So what I am going to do is I'm going to make this to top cover. I'm going to give some animation. So appear and appear. Okay, on click. So now like you can see only the closed bots when we put in the present mode. Next, I'm going to animate the bots opening. So that is simple. Like what I have to do is just click on the closed top cover. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the exit animation, just disappear. Okay, so it will disappear and this should appear. Okay, and let's go to the animation pane, where it is animation pane. What I'm going to do is okay, so first this is the first animation on mouse click, on click. So this will disappear and this should start with the previous. So and this will appear. Let's see how it looks like on mouse click. So I made the close cover disappear and the open cover appear. So it looks like a box opening animation. Similarly, I can do for the same for the left side. Okay, so make it disappear and make this appear along with the previous with previous. And here also what I can do is I can do after previous. So it feels like oh, it is. Maybe I can give some delay. Maybe I'm going to give 1 second delay. So okay, maybe I have to apply the same delay for this as well. Yeah. Okay, so if you want, I can reduce. We can reduce the delay based on our requirement. Now it looks fine. So now the box is open. Now how we can keep some candy. So I am going to take this candy. Maybe I'll take this color itself. Okay. I want to place this inside this box. So that is another tricky thing. How we are going to place this candy inside this gift box. Okay. So for that, what I am going to do is I am going to insert another this shape called square. So which exactly matches with the cube. Okay, and I'm going to format it to the same color with the eyedropper, and I'm going to remove the lines. Okay, that's something. Okay. Okay, now again now if you see the candy is visible. So what I am going to do is I'm going to bring this to front. We bring the top cover and bottom cover to front. Bring to front. Now, yeah, it looks like so we are not able to see the gift inside the box. So let's see how the animation looks like. Now, the last step is to add the animation to bring the candy out of the box. So for that I need to select the candy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to again send this to back so that I can select the candy. Add animation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use custom path. where I can make some path and bring the candy here. Okay, so bring this to front. Bring to front. Now see like how it looks like. So we have mission, and so we have the candy coming from the